Have you ever seen a brand blow up overnight and thought, what the heck did they just do? It's like they found a shortcut everyone else missed. And somehow it actually worked. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 7 strategies that feel a little too good to be true, but they 100% are real and they are working like crazy right now. These aren't your typical post more often kind of tips. These are marketing moves that feel like you're bending the rules because they cut through the noise that fast. But they're not just for experts or big brands. Every one of these strategies works for anyone. I'll show you exactly how to try it for yourself, even if you're just starting out. Number 1 is the silent soft launch. Most people think that product launches need fanfare, but what if you launched quietly to just 10 people and sold out? Consider the story of a handmade jewelry creator. We'll call her Maria. So instead of blasting her new collection to her full list, Maria messages her top 10 customers personally and says, hey, I'm dropping something new. Do you want a sneak peek? And then boom, she sells 80% of her stock before her official email even goes out. Why does this work? Early access feels exclusive, and exclusivity drives action. So how can you try this for yourself? You want to start with your past buyers, your biggest fans, or your most engaged followers and send a quick message, something casual and personal, and let them know you're working on something new. Offer to show it to them first. Even if only 3 people say yes, that's 3 potential sales before you ever even launch. Number 2 is screenshot marketing. So skip Canva. Your most convincing ad might already be sitting in your DMs. Imagine someone selling digital templates online, and a customer messages them to say, hey, I finally hit 1,000 email subscribers. Your lead magnet template was a game changer. Instead of logging into Canva and designing this beautiful testimonial graphic, they screenshot the message, blur out the name, and post it straight to Instagram. And it crushes all their previous posts. Why? Screenshots feel raw, they feel real, and they're believable. They don't look like marketing, and that's the entire point. Here's how to try it for yourself. Start collecting screenshots of your DMs, your reviews, or email replies, and whenever someone shares a small win, capture it. Post it in your feed, in a story, or in an email. Don't over-edit it, just share it like you're proud, and your audience will feel that. Number 3, the $5 personal ad test. This one feels sneaky, but it's brilliant. So let's say a content creator is stuck between 2 ways to promote their upcoming workshop. Instead of just guessing, they run 2 $5 boosted posts on Facebook, just to their existing followers. One version talks about overcoming self-doubt, the other one talks about making more sales. The ad with the most DMs or clicks, that's your winner. Now you know exactly how to frame your offer. Why does this work? Because your audience will tell you what they want if you test it the right way. So how do you try this one for yourself? Well, write 2 versions of your post. Spend $5 boosting each one to your warm audience, and then check which one drives more replies or saves or clicks, and use that insight to shape your full-blown campaign. No need to guess, data talks. All right, number 4 is CTA Sandwiching. This is a small change that can double your clicks. So most people put their call to action at the end. But if your audience is busy, or they're distracted, or they're just skimming, they might never see it. So here's the fix. Put your CTA once near the top and again at the end. It works like a sandwich. Hook, CTA, or call to action, content, and then another CTA. You want it to be the same CTA in both instances. Here's how to try it yourself. So when you're writing your next caption or email, drop your link button or invitation early before your story, and then again after the value of your story. It's simple, but you'll find you reach way more people this way. Number 5, make your freebie weirdly specific. Free guide won't cut it anymore. But that content creator selling template on Etsy with a freebie called the 3-day Etsy template launch plan, no design degree required, that gets clicks. Picture a business coach with a lead magnet called weekly marketing tasks. It sounds helpful, but it's too vague. But if they rename it 5 tasks that actually move the needle every week, same checklist, completely different reaction from their audience. Why? People don't want help. They want a shortcut to a result. The more specific, the better. So how can you test this one? Look at your freebie and ask yourself, what's the fastest or most exciting result this helps someone get? And then rename it around that. You're not changing the product at all, just the way you present it. Perception is everything. All right, number 6, the reverse testimonial. So here's a psychological switch that hooks people instantly. Instead of showing only the after, you want to lead with the before. So if your customer says, I used to dread sending sales emails, and then adds, now they're the easiest sales I make all week, well, people connect with that struggle. It makes the transformation feel possible for them too. So try it for yourself. Ask your happiest customers, what were you feeling or struggling with before you tried my product or my service? And then use that as the first line in the testimonial. The contrast makes the success feel real and repeatable. All right, number 7, the invisible list builder. So you don't always need a pop-up to grow your list. Let's say someone writes a blog post that goes viral. At the bottom, they quietly add, P.S. Want my 5-minute system for writing sales emails? I'll send it to you for free. That one little sentence then brings in thousands of new subscribers. No pop-up, no ad. Why? Because when people discover an offer instead of being sold to, they feel like they're in on something special. So how do you try this for yourself? Go to your highest traffic content, your blog, your podcast, or YouTube video, and add a quiet opt-in link with a personal tone. Don't make it flashy, make it feel like an added bonus. It's a soft, subtle, and super effective way to get people on your email list. If email is on your goal bingo card this year, I made something that will save you hours. Grab my free 3-month weekly email planner. It gives you weekly content prompts and a checklist to stay on track. The link's in the caption. All of these strategies work because they meet people where they are. They speak to real emotions and real problems, and they don't feel like traditional marketing. If you want more ways to turn content into sales, check out this next video where I show you how to write emails people actually want to read.